Working with the larger machines that we have with Lyseon, the production quality machines, is really great because at home I have my own machine, which is not even in the same ballpark as these machines. And so I get to come in here and run exactly what I'll be running in the real world and running customer parts and learning what goes into every part and to the design process. I love working for the small company because I'm given so much freedom to do my own thing and to make my own judgment calls. So when I'm left here alone for a month, I really get to design the shop how I want it. I can make every process flow the way I want it to. And so I really get a chance to kind of experiment and figure out what works best for each project. Coming to MID has been really great because I've been able to work part-time the whole time that I've been attending. And so with a college that has multiple campuses like MID, one in Harrison, one in Mount Pleasant, I can go to my job and I'm already here. I work on campus and I have the opportunity to take the classes in Harrison or in Mount Pleasant or online. So that really gives me flexibility to work.
It's been phenomenal to be part of such a small company. For the last, 2 months, Chris has been there a couple times. And so I really have room to do my own thing and have trial and error and fix my own mistakes and learn from them if I need to. I just have every day to just go and sit with the machines. So I have a great understanding of them. It's really a whole lot different than working for a big corporation where you have to go through the processes and all the paperwork and work your way up the tree, and you're not allowed to do anything without the degree first. Really having that freedom to try to get interested in more than just CAD, like look at the bigger picture, try to be interested in engineering and all the different parts of what goes into products and the world around us, really. So being interested in new technology, and I would say be willing to change your mindset, because when you start, it might be kind of a lot. You get thrown right into it. It can be overwhelming, and a lot of times it'll be a whole lot different than what you did in school. They have different practices, different standards. And so you really gotta be able to change your mind a little bit. And I really loved how I could really just go at my own pace. I've been working my entire time that I've been going to school. Each semester I've been taking between 3 and 15 credits. So having the flexibility to do that and to also work at the college, being able to have that one-on-one experience with the professors. I text with Eric regularly, so that's something that I could never ever get at a 4-year university. So I really, really appreciate that. And having 4 people in a class is phenomenal. I love that. I could shout out Sean Troy too, even though he's not a teacher. He's super level-headed. He's super easy to talk to. Like, you can just walk up to him and he's super interested in what you have to say and really cares. He'll get right on whatever you say, and he's not afraid to give you a little bit of freedom to do your thing too. After graduation, Chris has offered me full-time employment, so I'll probably continue working for him, as well as Eric has mentioned that he would really, really like for me to be the adjunct professor for the 3D printing classes next semester, maybe the semester after. So I'll probably do that as well.